We'll explain how you can manage mailroom users on the phone. Users are people handling deliveries such as mailroom staff, receptionists, concierges, or others. In this tutorial, we'll go through how to add, edit, and delete users on the phone. You can also manage users on the web platform. Let's start by looking at how to add a user. Make sure that you are on the Manage screen. Click on Manage Users and then on the little blue plus sign on the bottom right. Type in the user's first and last name, email, and password. Lastly, you can specify the user type. There are 3 types: normal, admin, and super admin. All user types can log parcels in and out and create and edit users at their permission level or lower. Admins and super admins can create and edit recipients, while super admins have access to all buildings. Buildings refer to places where deliveries are received, such as individual mailrooms. Users can only switch buildings if they have access to them. This access is set via web platform. However, the super admin has access to all buildings. After specifying the user type, click on Create and you can see the user. Next, let's look at how to edit and delete a user. Click on Manage Users and then click on the user you want to edit. Click on Edit in the top right corner. Now you can modify anything about the user. For example, we'll change the user type and click on Save. To delete the user, simply long press on the user's name. You can even select several users. Click on Delete and confirm. On iOS, you swipe the user to the right. And that's it. We have looked at how to create, edit, and delete users.